Hello friends, welcome back on Frolic Smile. I'm your friend Raj Paramveer Bhateja. Today, I'm going to show you with the help of my mama's video how to make butterscotch and butterscotch chocolate at home. Friends, believe me, I must insist you to make this chocolate for once at your home, as it's very delicious and instant. And after making it, if you love it, then don't forget to put a smile on my face by subscribing my channel Frolic Smile. So let's get started. For making butterscotch, we will take 1 bowl of sugar. We will melt the sugar. While melting the sugar, friends, keep in mind that the bottom of the pan that you are using must be heavy. Melt the sugar on low flame. Here my mom has taken 1 tablespoon of crunched almonds. We will melt the sugar directly. That means we don't have to add water in it. Now as you can see that the sugar is melted, close the induction or stove, whatever you are using. Now add crushed almonds in the pan and mix it well. Now friends, our butterscotch is ready. Now after making butterscotch, we will make butterscotch chocolate. We will take 1 white compound and we'll cut that into small pieces. Melt the compound for 30 seconds in microwave. Now add the crushed butterscotch in the same melted compound. You can add crushed butterscotch according to your taste. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon of butterscotch. Now put the mixed butterscotch concentrate into the chocolate mold. After filling the mold, tap a little so that it can level up. Now after tapping it, freeze the solution in freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now friends, as you all can see that how beautiful our chocolate is. Friends, I'm telling you, it's very delicious chocolate. I insist you to try it for once so that you can also taste the magic of butterscotch chocolate. And if you really like this chocolate, then please don't forget to like my channel Frolic Smile while having this delicious chocolate. I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you so much.